At Quadri Group, we are dedicated to excellence in every step. As a leader in supplying premium shoemaking products, our advanced adhesive manufacturing process ensures your shoes stand up to the toughest conditions. Let's take you through the process of adhesives making. First, the selection of raw materials is paramount. The primary binding agents, or resins, such as epoxy, polyurethane, or acrylic, form the core of the adhesive. Fillers like silica, clay, or calcium carbonate are added to improve properties and add bulk. Various additives, including plasticizers, stabilizers, and adhesion promoters, enhance performance. Solvents, which dissolve the components, aid in processing and application. The mixture is then subjected to homogenization. High shear mixing ensures a uniform dispersion of all components, which is crucial for achieving consistent adhesive properties. Some formulations may require heating during this step to improve mixing or initiate chemical reactions, with the temperature and duration dependent on the specific adhesive type. Next is packaging. The adhesive is transferred to containers such as tubes, cartridges, or bulk storage tanks. After packaging, the finished products are stored under controlled conditions until they are ready for shipment. The adhesives are then distributed to customers, retailers, or industrial users.